All right, buddy, we got 160 of these to do. I think we've installed 40 so far. Right now we're having an issue because they're rubbing. They're rubbing on the bottom here. These have 1-inch extensions on them. We even tried modifying this piece. We feel it's hitting right here. Tried to modify it, still making that noise and that rough feeling. Let's go look at the other one. Here's another one in the same unit. It's doing the same thing. This one we have not modified or did anything to. That's going to be unacceptable to the customer. How do we fix it?